Okay, I'd like to call to order the special call meeting of the Board of Commissioners for December 17th, 2020. And I'll call the roll, please.
Commissioner Nash,
Here.
Commissioner Perigin,
Here.
Commissioner Beasley Brown, who is absent, Commissioner Denning, also absent, and Mayor Wilkerson.
Here. First item is the second reading of ordinance BG 2020-43 as amended.
Ordinance providing for the issuance of general obligation bonds. An ordinance of the City of Bowling Green, Kentucky, authorizing the issuance of general obligation bonds, Series 2021A, and taxable general obligation bonds, Series 2021B, in aggregate maximum principal amounts of $40 million and $6,500,000, respectively, for the purpose of the financing of costs of the acquisition of a leasehold estate in the real properties and improvements constituting a Trans Park expansion project, authorizing a second supplemental contract lease and option with the Intermodal Transportation Authority Incorporated in the County of Warren, Kentucky, with respect to the Trans Park expansion project. Approving forms of bonds, authorizing designated officers to execute and deliver the bonds, authorizing and directing the filing of notice with the state local debt officer, providing for the payment and security of the bonds, creating bond payment funds, authorizing the acceptance of the bonds, of the bids of the bond purchasers for the purchase of the bonds following the advertised sale of bonds, and repealing inconsistent ordinances.
Motion by Wilkerson, second by Perigin. This is the third reading. The second reading is this amendment to expand the amortization. Are there any additional questions or comments? Please call the roll.
Nash,
Yes.
Perigin,
Yes.
Wilkerson.
Yes. Next is the second reading of ordinance BG 2020-45.
Ordinance relating to budget amendment. Ordinance approving amendment number 2 to the City of Bowling Green, Kentucky annual operating budget for fiscal year 2021.
Motion by Wilkerson, second by Perigin. We were presented these changes at the last meeting. Are there any additional questions or comments? Please call the roll.
Nash,
Yes.
Perigin,
Yes.
Wilkerson.
Yes. Next is second reading of ordinance BG 2020-46.
Ordinance rezoning real estate. Ordinance rezoning tracts of land containing 79.05 acres from LI Light Industrial and HI Heavy Industrial to HI Heavy Industrial located at 0 and 192 Technology Way and 458, 500, 572, and 630 Glasgow Road, presently owned by the Bowling Green Area Economic Development Authority Incorporated and Intermodal Transportation Authority Incorporated, care of Ron Bunch, and Nova Steel USA Incorporated, care of KB Corporation Services Incorporated.
Motion by Wilkerson, second by Perigin. This is second reading of rezoning a lot for a Trans Park. Are there any additional comments or questions? Please call the roll.
Nash,
Yes.
Perigin,
Yes.
Wilkerson.
Yes. And second reading of ordinance BG 2020-47.
Ordinance extending franchise relating to telecommunication system. Ordinance authorizing the extension of non-exclusive telecommunications joint franchise agreement with Bluegrass Network LLC in Warren County.
Motion by Wilkerson, second by Perigin. Again, a second reading on this ordinance. Are there any comments or questions? Please call the roll.
Nash,
Yes.
Perigin,
Yes.
Wilkerson.
Yes. And all of these second readings are final readings that become enacted when they're published this week. So anything else, we'll be closing the meeting. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it.